Hey, what's up everyone? So this video is about how to get out motor mount screws like this that are stripped. These are commonly stripped. These little button head screws are just known for not being that deep, so when you're putting a ton of torque on these, it's easy to strip them. And unfortunately both of these are stripped, which is not great, but I need to get them off. So I recently purchased a Dremel. I've been wanting to get one for a long time, and I've understood that these will work to get these off. So the plan is to cut a groove in these bolts here on both of them deep enough so that I can use a flathead screwdriver and be able to get it in there and turn them out that way. So we'll see how it goes, and you can come along for the ride, just test it out. Alright, so you can see it's creating a fairly deep groove here. We'll see if that's deep enough for the actual screwdriver. Not working. So that didn't quite do it. I think I need to get a deeper slot here. The problem is it's really hard to get a good angle on this without taking off this whole back end, which I'd like to avoid. I took off the center mount. It was too close to everything, so we'll see if I can get this other one. I'm digging through all my tools to find just the right size flathead. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that's the trick. Find the right size flathead and get that cut just perfect. And we can get this puppy out. This one seemed to work best last time. Yes! And it worked again. So here we have it. Doesn't look pretty. This is the best way I could do it. The nice part is if you mess up the first cut, as you can see, you can just do it at the other angle and that'll get it. Oh, and it's worth noting what my plan is to avoid this in the future. As you can see how narrow these, or how shallow these stock nuts are compared to these new ones that I got, this Power Hobby titanium screws. So not only a stronger metal, but it's a deeper hole there for the Allen. So hopefully that'll avoid stripping, and we'll see how they work.